In modern manufacturing, uptime is everything. Unplanned downtime doesn't just interrupt production, it impacts margins, delivery schedules, and operational performance. The most competitive facilities don't just react to equipment failure, they build proactive MRO strategies to prevent it. That's where Radwell comes in. With one of the world's largest ready-to-ship inventories of industrial automation and electrical components, Radwell provides immediate access to the components manufacturers rely on to stay operational. Our in-house industrial repair services and production support centers restore failed equipment quickly and reliably. Radwell also purchases surplus and idle industrial inventory, turning excess stock into working capital. Radwell delivers end-to-end manufacturing support built around speed, reliability, and smarter lifecycle solutions. Reactive when you need us. Proactive so you don't. Responsive. Reliable. Ready. Delivering uptime every time. That's Radwell.